Hello, I'm Dr. Alan Detton, author of the 16th and 17th editions of Grant's Dissector, as well as the award-winning accompanying resource of Grant's Dissection videos, now available either individually or as part of the larger online offering of Grant's Anatomy Lab. If you're new to the dissection videos, it is a series of about 80 videos demonstrating the techniques described in the manual. So we go from head to toe through all the major systems, regions, and structures of the body. You will see a demonstration of each protocol described in the text, effectively a one-to-one parallel. Now, a typical lab would take you about 2 to 3 hours. The videos are approximately 10 to 20 minutes, so they're very succinct, high yield, and meant to facilitate your study as well as decrease instructor load. The videos can be used in a number of ways. First, they're intended to be used in the laboratory setting itself, so you will be able to see visually what you're about to do. Second, they could be a powerful preview of what you're about to do, highlighting the key terms and structures you're about to find for that day. Third, this can be a resource that you can use to review what you just performed or perhaps what your dissecting partners did. Particularly helpful if you're in an alternating schedule where one group performs a dissection and then a different group comes in the next day and you sort of leapfrog back and forth. Lastly, this is an incredibly powerful resource for your exam study and preparation, as you can go back and literally watch again what was performed throughout that entire course or for that examination period or as prep for your board exams. Remember that these videos, however, are of a sensitive nature. They portray actual dissections of human cadaveric tissue. As such, they need to be respected and treated with the same care you would give your donor in your own setting. Remember that these individuals dedicated their remains for our educational use and for research. As such, you need to treat them with care, proper respect, and professionalism, and take the time to thank and appreciate your donor if you have that opportunity. For schools that don't have in-class opportunities for dissection, or maybe you're facing social distancing requirements, or you've switched to an online or hybrid course, this can also be a powerful resource to provide your students with to help facilitate that transition. All of the videos have some key components. They are ADA compliant, meaning they have both captions and audio transcripts to help facilitate student comprehension even in a noisy lab. They'll have on-screen labels as well. All of the videos matching the 17th edition also have new screens and headings correlating to the subheadings found within the printed text and hyperlinks available through the online platform. This will allow you to jump ahead and watch just the footage that you are interested in for that particular phase of the dissection or for your study. I hope that these resources help facilitate you along your educational and professional pathway, and I wish you all the best. Thanks again.